So to get started with the SenScope installation, I'm going to go to Resensys.com. So it's this first link here. And then once on the main web page, click the drop down for products. And at the bottom, select SenScope software. Now scrolling down, we have a few buttons. The first one is for the actual SenScope download. This should be the most recent version of the software. Just click on that. And we're going to install the zip folder, which contains the Windows installer package. So once this is done downloading, it will be available on your machine's download. I'm just going to wait for this to open. And once it opens, I'm going to, at the top, click on Extract All to decompress or uncompress the zip folder. Hit Next. It will copy everything to an uncompressed folder on your machine. And now you're going to just select the first option that says SenScope, which is a Windows installer package. Double click on that. And you'll be presented with a window that looks like this. This is a standard Windows protection info message. If you see this, don't worry. You may also see a message which indicates that you may need administrative privileges to proceed any further. Just reach out to your IT department and they'll give you the necessary permissions. So I'm going to hit Run Anyways. Now it's preparing the Windows installer. I already have this on my machine, so it's only giving me options to repair or remove, but you would just need to go through, it's 2 or 3 steps, a standard Windows installer, and then hit Finish once complete. Now that it's installed, I'll just confirm that it is on the machine and that I can access it from my machine by going down to the Start menu and typing in SenScope. Clicking on the SenScope application. And you should be presented with a window that looks like this. If you see this, then you have properly installed and can start using the SenScope software package. Thank you.